Samagra Shiksha, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Our World 5, Environmental Studies. Chapter 4, Know Our Organ Systems. Assessment, Evaluation. How many bones in an adult human body? Option A 105, option B 207, option C 206, and option D 201. The correct answer is option C 206. The protective bones around the brain is known as option A skull, option B rib cage, option C bones, and option D backbone. The right answer is option A skull. The external ear and the flexible part of the nose are made of structures called muscle, cartilage, bone, rib cage. The correct answer is option B cartilage. The process of conversion of complex food material into simple and absorbable material by the action of enzymes is called option A circulatory system, option B excretory system, option C respiratory system, and option D digestion. The correct answer is option D digestion. How much long is our small intestine? Option A 4 meters, option B 5 meters, option C 6 meters, and option D 1 meter. The correct answer is option C 6 meters. The respiratory system consists of option A the nose, the windpipe, the lungs, option B the nose, the lungs, option C the windpipe, the lungs, and option D the heart, blood vessels. The correct answer is the nose, the windpipe, the lungs. The respiratory system consists of the nose, the windpipe, the lungs. Dash are the spongy organs in our body. Option A liver, option B kidneys, and option C lungs, option D pancreas. The correct answer is option C lungs. Lungs are the spongy organs in our body. The heart, the blood vessels make up the dash system. Option A digestive system, option B excretory system, option C respiratory system, and option D circulatory system. The correct answer is option D circulatory system. The heart, the blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The dash breaks the food material present in the cells and release the energy. Option A stomach, option B nitrogen, option C oxygen, and option D blood. The correct answer is option C oxygen. The oxygen breaks the food material present in the cells and release the energy. The upper two small chambers of heart are known as option A ventricles, Option B, arteries. Option C, blood vessels. Option D, veins. The correct answer, option B, arteries. The upper two small chambers of heart is known as arteries. Which organ works like a water motor pump in our body? Option A, kidneys. Option B, lungs. Option C, brain. And option D, heart. The correct answer is option D, heart. Dash is known as the computer of our body. Option A, heart. Option B, brain. And option C, skull. And option D, sense organs. The correct answer, option B, brain. The lower two big chambers of heart known as option A, ventricles. Option B, arteries. Option C, veins. Option D, pulmonary arteries. The correct answer, ventricles. Blood contains dash type of blood cells. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. And option D, 4. The correct answer is option C, 3. Blood contains 3 type of blood cells. Blood is red in color because of the presence of dash. Option A, red blood corpuscles. Option B, white blood corpuscles. Option C, blood platelets. Option D, hemoglobin. The correct answer, option D, hemoglobin. AP government is supplying dash in the midday meal to improve hemoglobin. Option A, chicky. Option B, boiled eggs. Option C, sweet pongal. And option D, khichdi. The correct answer, option A, chicky. AP government is supplying the midday meal to improve hemoglobin. Option A, chicky. Which organ filter the blood and remove impurities in it? Option A, skin. Option B, heart. Option C, kidneys. And option D, lungs. The correct answer is option C, kidneys. Which organ helps in absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide from the blood? Option A, skin. Option B, heart. Option C, kidneys. And option D, lungs. The correct answer is option D, lungs. The biggest and visible excretory organ in our body is option A, skin. Option B, heart. Option C, kidneys. And option D, lungs. The correct answer is option A, skin. Skin is the biggest and visible excretory organ in our body. The bundle of fibers in the body that transmits impulses to the brain is option A, muscles. Option B, rib. Option C, spinal cord. And option D, nerves. The correct answer is option D, nerves.